What is your greatest asset? Time, money, or health? That's the topic of today's video. We need to discuss a little bit more about some of these resources that we call assets. Is money an asset? Truthfully, no. Because will money recover your health? No. Will time? Not usually. We can't make any more of that. Money can always be replenished, right? Health is truly the only real asset that we have. But we want to talk today about where health comes from and how to regain it if we lose it. We want to decide today together to build a plan on how to create better health for our lives and for our families. Just like Grandma always said about charity, she said charity always starts at home. Well, what does that mean and how is it related to health? It means that if you're not well, you can't help others. Just like charity, you can't give or donate to a charity if you don't have anything to give, right? Well, that's the way health works too. If we want to provide the best lives for our children and for our community members and our friends, we have to be healthy. When you're 100% healthy, only then can you truly help others. Thank you for watching today, and we'll see you soon.